Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PayPal working capital, which is best strategy if my sales fluctuate. How does PayPal working capital adapt? As a business owner who relies on cash flow, I know exactly what it's like to have sales that fluctuate. It's stressful. You have amazing months, and then the slow periods hit, but your expenses don't stop. That's why I'm going to share my experience with PayPal working capital and how its structure actually helps you navigate those ups and downs. The most important thing to understand is that PayPal working capital is not a traditional loan. The best strategy for a fluctuating income is choosing a financing option where your repayments are flexible, and that's precisely how this one is structured. Here is how it adapts. First, repayments are a percentage of your daily PayPal sales. When you apply, you choose a small percentage of your future PayPal sales that will automatically go toward repayment. This is the core feature that makes it so adaptive. When you have a great sales day, a larger dollar amount is deducted and you pay down your balance faster. But when your sales are slow, maybe you have a slow season or an off-peak week, the amount deducted is much smaller or even zero if you have no sales. This dramatically eases a cash flow burden during low periods. Second, it has a fixed fee, not fluctuating interest. Instead of charging interest over time, you pay a single fixed fee that is agreed upon up front. I knew the total cost of the loan before I accepted the money. This predictability is a lifesaver. You don't have to worry about an interest rate compounding or changing, which makes budgeting simpler, even with fluctuating revenue. Third, there is a minimum repayment requirement every 90 days. While the daily deduction is flexible, there is a small minimum payment you must reach every 90 days. For me, my regular sales-based payments easily cover this, but it's an important safety net to be aware of. It keeps your loan in good standing without adding the pressure of a fixed, high monthly bill. You are in control because you choose the initial repayment percentage, directly impacting how fast you pay and what your fixed fee will be. In my experience, this adaptability is the best strategy for a business with unpredictable sales. It works with your cash flow, not against it. It's a true partnership that lets you breathe during those slower times and then accelerate repayment when business booms. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.